Two separate home clusters. We're gonna come up on the first. We're gonna home the Chinese village, and then we got where it was a farm, and then another one.
All right.
And the last one's where I found 1865 coins. Something was up there, you know, knocking stuff down.
Probably orangutan. Something did knock all those down. Fuck yeah. I wonder what the hell it was. You know, maybe a squirrel chewed them down?
I never seen that, man.
I've never seen it before either.
I know turkeys roost up here in these trees, but they don't leave this.
Yeah, that's really weird, huh?
That's fresh. I mean, these things aren't dead at all.
No.
Something was up there jacking around.
I'll be damned. Very interesting. Yeah, hey, we're gonna have to get down in that creek, man. Okay. Not right now, but for sure.
Especially below the sites.
Yeah.
All sites. Yeah, I've never done anything down there.
Fuck, that's easy walking in that creek too. Shit, that's like the freeway. Because you know those grapevines have been there for 100 years.
Yeah.
And so nobody's detected in there.
People live there.
They did?
Well, look, I mean, I would think naturally, you know, it's flat next to the
creek. Here's the problem I'm thinking with that though, is when it's bad winter and that creek floods.
That's underwater.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
That's underwater. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, this sucker ate good.
That's another coyote. That's another fresh one too. See, they're all running in front of us. Yeah, really, that's what's going on. We're scaring.
One that didn't get away.
Okay, that's. Deer. There's the jawbone. Here's some more bones. See that skull that was down there? Okay, guess that had to be a deer because that's a deer jawbone too. Yeah, but wait a minute. That thing had its. Oh no, it only had the top jaw. Okay, so there we go. So now we know where we're gonna go. Freaking beautiful in here. Camps at one time.
There's a wall. There's a little wall right here.
Okay. You sure that's not just a foundation, maybe?
Yeah, it looks like it. As you can see, there's a straight line.
Yeah.
So there's the root, maybe the root cellar. Because look, there's a straight line, just like a foundation.
Yeah.
And then there's another one in that tree, but that tree's about 10 times bigger than it used to be. And I got an axe head in that tree, and this and that, and then that coin. It's right under that tree right there. But yeah, you know, it used to be cattle, so there was no grass here, but that's where garbage is all underneath. Right there is garbage.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Maybe we should do this for a while.
Okay. Let's do it.
Let me take my pack off. Okay, what the hell is this thing? Okay, I've showed you this before, and I'll show you again. Gopher hole. The target's gonna keep going deeper and deeper and deeper down that hole. See, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's going. down the hole. And we're not going after it. The gopher wants it that bad. That buck-toothed little bastard can have it. Look at this big fagamba. See it? Boy, that's been pounded down hard. Whatever it was and broken off there. Where's the pack? Right there. I want to put this by the pack. Another big gold miner equipment. Okay, what the hell is this thing? That's a weird looking thing, see it? Really beautiful in here, huh? Looking great. Oh, look at this old timer. Shit. There's probably a shake snake sleeping in there. And I'm gonna wake him up and he's gonna grab me. No, it didn't happen. Cool. Something right under this rock. Kamba. Okay, let's see. Stop breaking. One of these cans. I don't know what kind of can that is. That might be one of those old brake fluid cans. Gold Mobile cans. I don't know what the fuck it is. Anything worth anything?
Well, they didn't get everything because I found 3 old shotgun shells. So.
What do you mean, like old? Not the brass ones, the solid brass? You did?
Not those big giant ones, but you know, the older ones.
Let me see.
I mean, if they would have saw those, you
throw those fucking things away.
No,
Okay, so this was as far as we were going to go?
Yeah, then we're going to go work on the other side to the cave.
Great, great. Okay, Seal, look at that. How they hammered the piss out of that thing, didn't they?
Yeah, you think this is before eye protection?
Probably. Hey, no, so what was on that? It broke off. Whatever was on there, on the bottom probably.
Oh, yeah.
You think that broke, huh? Must have.
Big...
Fucking mountain.
And then, this is something.
That's I don't know what the hell that is. But that's the part that hit the ground.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Because it's all rounded.
Mm-hmm.
Or hit the rock or whatever it freaking did. I think it's one of those drill things of drilling through rocks. I don't know. I never drilled through rocks. I don't want to start now.
So this is some kind of lever thing.
Well, I'm going to keep that stuff.
Yeah.
But I got to freaking haul it around. But that's okay. Shit.
I'll take half.
Nah, you don't have to. I'll take it. Unless you want to keep it. Unless you want any of those.
No, I don't. But
okay, then I'll care. You call the shots, pal. This is your territory. So if we fuck up, I can blame you.
Okay. Well, right here was my best find. One of my best finds ever was right here.
What was it?
That 1865 penny.
Oh.
It was old. There was a lot of stuff right here, but this blackberries weren't near this big. But there was a lot of junk right here.
Well, we can get down to the creek from here.
Oh yeah, look, it's open.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do a little bit in the creek.
Okay, you can break trail. Yeah, 1865, huh?
Yeah, I was pretty happy.
Yeah, shit.
Good, every inch of it has been moved.
Oh yeah, every one of these rocks has been touched by human hands. Every single one. And probably down 10 feet too. Okay, let me ground balance. Up there it was 65, it wasn't bad.
Oh, 66, so yeah.
Down here, 81. Which way are we gonna go?
That way. I'm just gonna kind of.
All right.
I'm gonna try to get it. I'd call in a napalm strike. Yeah, this is a wall. Look at this.
Sure. I think, but what I think they did is they made it out of the rocks from. No, I don't know what the fuck they did. I can't second guess these guys, but I'll tell you what. Next time we have to bring a big giant weed whacker. Hey, I'm just following you, pal. I don't care. It's easier for me to follow you and not have to think than have to think of where I'm going. And let's see him.
Not a big one. I mean a big daddy.
Where is he, pal?
Right there.
Oh yeah.
Look at his rattles. How
Hold this thing and let me get the other camera out.
I almost stepped on. Oh, I almost stepped on him.
Did you?
Yeah, pretty close. I was about 2 steps away.
Oh yeah, look at that sucker. Look at his big rattles.
I think we're here. He's guarding it.
Okay, I want to see his rattles. Okay, let me see. I want to make sure I get his rattles in the video.
How long do you think he is? 3.5 foot? 3?
Oh no, that's shit. If you stretch him out, he's close to 4 feet. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see. I want to grab that bastard.
What?
I can't, you got a stick anywhere? Here's one.
You can use my detector.
No, it's too clumsy. And this thing's not long enough. Oh, look, he's gonna come back. Look, he's coming back. He's saying, you know, get the fuck away from me, man.
How many? God, that is the biggest. Look at the rattles. There's I don't know how many there is, but it's over 10. He's gonna strike your ass.
Yeah, I know he is. He wants to.
He's going in his hole. That is a big daddy. That's about as big as they get.
That's the biggest rattle I've ever seen. Look, and he just started to rattle a little bit. Here he is. Look at him. He's curled up in the hole here.
Ooh.
Hear him rattling?
Yeah.
Outstanding. Okay, cool. Okay, well, we'll just leave him alone.
I almost stepped on him.
Well, I'm glad you didn't, because fuck, I don't want to carry you out of a place. Well, yeah.
We don't need to be hiking people.
See, if it's a cave, it's got to be by the side of the... You sure? It's an old mine barrel. I don't know what it is, but it's been here for a while.
Okay.
Okay, what?
I mean, it's the other way.
Okay, well, let's go back then.
The other way to know is get up on top, because there's a big meadow, and it's right below the meadow. The mine goes under the meadow. I don't know.
So we got to, like, brush bust straight up?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
I
Okay,
guess,
let's do it to it.
And that way's thick.
Oh, and that's not thick? Go ahead. You break the trail. This is all your fault, so...
Okay.
Unless you want me to go first.
No, I'm just thinking. Let me give me a second here. It'll take longer. I can't remember where that sucker is. And it's so easy to find. Well, let's get to the top then. I know I can find it then. If I'm in the middle. Now that supplied the water.
Okay, so you remember this canal?
Yeah. So that they could mine the hill.
Now, did this canal, was this a water canal, or were the pipes for the hydraulic on here? Or was this a frickin' road?
Doesn't look like a canal, does it?
No.
It's old though.
It's a fucking, I think it's an old road. So that's a good sign. Good for what? I don't know. Look across there. Looks beautiful, huh? This is a good place to be regardless, man.
It's real lush.
Huh?
Look at all the plant life here, how lush it is.
Yeah, it's spectacular, man. It's beautiful.
I don't remember where that cave is. It's right here though. I mean, it can't be much further. It's I thought it was, there's the...
Let's follow this. This road has got to go around and get us the fuck out of here somewhere. I hope. I hate ending up in that twilight zone. Oh, this thing's on? Shit. Yeah, this is the canal. No, Bagamba. What's that stuff you're gonna step on?
Now what do you got here?
Ursa Major. Big Barus Crappus. Okay, listen, Mike, you feel like running up to Carl's Jr. and getting a couple of those no-carbo burgers? I'll wait here.
I could go for a pumpkin latte.
Oh, fuck you.
Love to have
Good.
one right now.
Yeah, great.
You know, how long would it be to Starbucks? I could be there and back in, what, an hour? With a couple of pumpkin lattes?
Well, don't come back for my sake. Hey, I'll sing the song and you tell me what this is. From the land of sky blue waters.
Hams?
Exactly. Yep.
Oh. Full tab?
Huh?
Full tab?
No, the whole freaker.
Oh.
Okay, this is Tuesday the 32nd, and we're getting closer, right? Big trees.
This is like landscaping. This one's built straight up and down. You know,
Yeah.
somebody was like an artist.
Yeah, and they did that recently, and I wonder why. Did they get a...
You got a reading there in his detective.
That's... Yeah, and he just kept digging down until he found it. It kept falling through the rocks, maybe.
Look at this.
Yeah, oh, beautiful, huh? God damn. All stacked by hand. Oh, this is a piece of cake. We cross right here. 2 pieces of cake. This is probably the road we walked down.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Has to be.
Old car from the old days, and it would have been the trunk lid.
I want to come and look at it.
I'll bring it over there.
Okay, what do you think that is?
I'm guessing. So, they had a hinge. So I'm picturing like one of those old cars with a rumble seat, and that would fold up because it folded. It has a hinge. What do you see? It doesn't really. I don't know.
I have no idea.
It's not a door.
Look at this big white piece of quartz. Really kind of great in here, huh? This must have been the old swimming hole. They'd get on that rock there and dive headfirst into the rocks down below. But that pissed off a lot of them. Okay, look at this beautiful little area. Digging a little hole here. Where is it? And look what I find. See this old belt buckle thing with an eagle on it? See it there? Really cool, huh? Gee. Jesus, see, and look at that rock wall there. Real excellent and not very deep. That's one of the best things I've found for a long time. The AT Gold strikes again. Okay, this is about 6 feet from that buckle. This doesn't sound too bad either. That's why I'm doing the live dig, so it's gonna be freaking El Crapamundo. Oh, yeah. Well, it's not crap if you like old rusty tin. Oh, hey, Mike.
Yeah.
Come here. What happened?
No, nothing.
See that hole there?
Yeah.
That one there?
Yeah. Oh, you son of a bitch! Oh, man! I don't believe this.
Nice one, huh?
So that's not suspender, that's a buckle. Huh?
Oh, yeah, that's a belt buckle.
And that's military?
I don't know.
I think it is.
Oh, the eagle on it, is there?
Yeah, there's an eagle.
See, I can't see it without my reading glasses.
That's a military buckle, and that's old. That's the ones that look like the guys had, you know, before the war. Civil War. Could
Great.
be. That thing's cool, man. Woo! Feel that thing?
Huh? Yeah, I know, it's heavy, huh?
Wow. Now that is a nice one. Now that
Right there.
See?
There's a lot of shit in this ground here. Look at, see that, the wall there? Absolutely. That's why I figured they might have been camping in here.
Wow. Now that is, that would be like the best thing I've ever found.
Yeah?
Yeah. Pretty good shape too. Beautiful shape.
Let's go do it.
Okay. Well, look at this. This is a ruin right there, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know if they lived there. This ground is real soft in place here. I don't know if they lived in here or up on top up there. Okay, I just gotta leap that log.
All right.
Oh, there's a frickin' bunch of them. I gotta do it real quick. Hey, there's all kinds of stuff in here. This is another piece of. Oh, you know what? That's a look. I think that's an old. I know what that. That's an old. What? You tell me what that's part of.
Double.
Yep.
Down the camp.
Yep.
Was that under the ground or on top?
Under, but not deep.
Nobody dug it.
No, nobody dug it.
Nobody hit this yet.
Shit, this one's old. This whole area could have been camps around here. Look at that freaking log. Oh, and another one.
Yeah, that's all disturbed.
Is it disturbed?
Well, right where you walk past, right there.
You mean like recently?
No, I meant just like those.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's it. Let's go do that other one and then go find some more good stuff. What a great place. Yeah.
This is the road that we keep going because it's just dead end with that house.
That's what I'm thinking.
This is the old road out of here. Wow, man, you lucky sucker. That's a good one.
That's the best find I've had for a long time. Oh, you know what I did? I looked on eBay for outboard motors like those I have.
Yeah.
In fact, one guy wants $100 for one, and you got to go pick it up at his place.
So that's all okay.
But it wasn't working. Well, mine aren't either. Yeah, look at that road goes. Can you see that road going straight up there?
I've walked it. I used to walk in on it. It goes to someone's house.
It does?
There's an old place up there that was really good to detect. And you can't detect it anymore. Someone built a house there, but this came out at an old ruin. And it's even on the map. It was a store or something. So yeah, this is the old.
So is there anything left of it?
Yeah, the ruins are there, but it's somebody built a house right next to it.
Oh, fuck.
You can't go there, but I used to go there all the time. Yeah, so this is the old road out of here. Pretty neat.
Let's go back to head toward my pack and do some more air where I found that, whatever that thing is, belt buckle thing. There might be some more stuff there. I just couldn't resist leaping this log, pal.
That is a good, man, that would be like the ultimate find.
It's not bad.
No. Nope. In such good shape.
Huh?
Such good shape.
Yeah, it's a good one.
How does the guy lose his buckle though? Yeah.
That's yours, pal.
No.
Yeah, I want to give it to you. I have more pleasure giving it to you than keeping it myself.
I'll have it on loan for a little while. I'll put it that way.
Now, if we find the other half, I want that fucker back. No, I don't.
I'm gonna find out what it is exactly.
It's a freaking belt buckle. I know, but yeah, find out where. That's probably, I think that's a Civil War.
I think it's before. Because that one I found is 1839.
What? There's my pack. Still there. Nothing got it. Cool. Oh, grab it, pal.
Okay. My thing said dime. Oh, it's a Lincoln.
It is?
Yeah, but let me see the back, whether I even want to look at it or not, if it's a wheat. It's a wheat.
Good.
It's a Lincoln.
Can you see a date on it?
You know, I'm not even going to try. I can't see.
Okay. Well, fuck, I got a magnifying glass in the pack anyway. We can check it out.
All right.
Good one.
Yeah. Oh, I wasn't going to dig it either, man. I was going, no, it's nothing. All right. All right. All right. 19. It's in pretty decent shape.
Well, it's been laying there probably since it was made. 1910.
1910.
They had Wheaties back then? Must have been the first Wheatie ever made.
1909 is the first year of the Lincoln coin. It was on Jeopardy yesterday.
It was, huh?
Yeah, it was on Jeopardy. What's that?
See, it pays to watch freaking Jeopardy, man. Okay, then it's the end of an axe.
Yep.
Is it?
Yeah, and I would have never known. Look at that.
Yeah, that's right.
The end of an axe.
Yeah, been pounded so many times. Look at that. Yeah, that's what that is, pal.
I'm gonna keep it.
I had two of them for freaking years, and I didn't know what they were. Ooh. What the pacamba is this? There it is. And it is another one of these cans. Okay, somebody tell me what this can was of.
I thought something was wrong with my detector because it's all just metal here. And then I was getting what I'm really, this is cool because this is a good sign. So I got a wine bottle or some kind of old bottle. That's the old glass. It's got that, that whatever looking on it. Some pottery, and then, can you tell what that is?
Yes, I can.
Me too. Nice.
Oh, no, I didn't know it was a pighead. Oh, yeah. Good one, pal.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's a freaking beauty.
Not used much though. But
no, I know.
Look how long that is. That's your typical miner, gold miner one. All right, cool.
I thought it was an axe head.
No, that's a different.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yep. Oh, more glass.
That's what he did. He broke all that fucking glass with that pick practicing.
He didn't use it though.
Yeah, I know. It's funny that you find things that are hardly. Yeah, he's used that. Yeah. but you know, not a lot.
It's even got a name on it.
You kidding? Boone? D. Boone?
Crockett.
Oh, great.
No, there's something written right there.
Oh, excellent. That's great.
All right, I'm taking
We're going to find out what that is. Yeah, shit. There's been a deer around here. Okay, cool. And there's been some tree cutters in here. Look at this beautiful country, huh? Dambo. And I think this might be an old coin. Oh, you know what it is? It might be a shot shell. That's what I think it is.
Yep.
Shotgun shell?
Yep.
Fuck a manga.
Remington.
Okay, I'm gonna write a letter to this Remington guy. Shit.
Remington.
What do you think it is?
Yeah.
You think that's what that was? I don't know.
Me neither.
It's got a leg on it. That's probably a leg on the bottom, huh?
Looks like a leg.
Somebody might know that watches a video.
Was that under the
And
ground?
tell, no, it was right on top of the ground right there. Okay, so what are you saying, a bear fig eater?
Yeah, there's bear here, but not very many. I mean, I've seen the tracks rare, but that's definitely a bear. It's really expert. Right.
Oh, pakanga. The hell is that? That's a bear.
Still steaming.
Yeah, but I don't know what the fucker's eating
Figs.
to make it green like that. Maybe. Okay, there's some more bear crap with fur in it. Bunch of animals are eating these figs, including us.